Hello and welcome to a new UX snack. So I recently started taking a class on inbound marketing. And as a refresher to all of you out there, inbound marketing is a method of attracting, engaging, and delighting people to grow business that provides value and builds trust. So yes, the definition sounds very marketing and very businessy, which is the word, but my studies have led to some additional learnings about what inbound is actually all about. It's about helping people use the platforms they are actually on. It's all about sharing knowledge and building relationships. It's a more lovable way to draw people in. It's empathetic, putting yourself in the customer's shoes, and it's all about personalized experiences. So while I was reading and learning all about inbound, it struck me how closely related it is to design thinking. Now, I'm not going to go into too much depth about what design thinking is, but if you are in need of a refresher, check out Sean VanGenderen's video on YouTube. It's really informative and really quick to watch. I'll be sure to link it below. But design thinking really is at the core of UX design, and it's an empathetic approach to understanding people. Because of these similarities, the active process of design thinking, inclusive of empathetic listening, defining the problem, ideation, prototyping, and testing, can really be used as a precursor to the stages for inbound, which includes attracting, engaging, and delighting customers. This way, your brand will know exactly who your customers are, and then you can turn them into happy customers that fuel the growth of your company. So if I were to put both of those processes together, I think it would look something like this. Working within an agile environment, obviously, where testing and feedback is consistent, it then impacts the entire buyer's journey. So this is just a new aha moment that I've had. I would love to get your feedback on incorporating design thinking into your inbound marketing strategy. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.